There we go. So once again, our European capital snow. Our snow, our equation is 4 plus 12. So tagalan na the times in junior Jericho si snow about review. These are snow already. Alright, snow, please solve the equation for us. Here goes, Snow picks up number 6. So is the second number correct? Again, is the second number correct? Alright, Snow, complete your answer, please. Oh, it's medyo naligo sa Snow. Let's try again, Snow. Our equation is 4 plus 12. Let's try it again, Snow. There you go.